We are excited to introduce a new functionality in our software, in our point of sale software, that enable the user to add the IME number, the address of the cell phones. These features support more accurate tracking and inventory control for the mobile device. Let's say we have a cell phone model barcode is 1237, which is associated with 100 unique IMEI address. So now we offer two options of entering IMEI data into the systems. Option 1, we can enter the all 100 IMEI address at a stock in time. So for that we just need to scan the bar. First time we have to scan the barcode of that model of the cell phone in a yellow window. Then we need to open the IMI entry window. In this window, input associated with IME address either manually or using the scanner. This method is useful for recording all IMEI addresses during the stocking process, ensuring that the data available well before the item is sold. Second options, during the we can enter the IMEI number during the sales time when an item that require an IMEI address, so it's selected, the system will automatically prompt enter the IME address. At this point, scan the IME address using the barcode. The IME will be captured and recorded for the specific cell. This option is ideal for business that prefer to delay IME entry until the point of transactions. Special case, let's say if the second item doesn't have a IME address, so when we scan the when we scan the barcode of that item which doesn't come with the IME address, the system will not prompt for it, allowing a smooth checkout process.